Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Hump Day Cocktails. I'm your host, Matthew. Today we're going to be going over the historic margarita, one of my favorite recipes, so stay tuned.
Cocktail historian David Wondrich says that the drink was invented during Prohibition times when people substituted tequila for brandy since they were crossing the border for alcohol. In 1936, Iowa newspaper editor James Graham did a piece on finding the cocktail in Tijuana years before any other margarita creation myths. Personally, I think it's safe to say that the earliest account of this drink is probably the most reputable. So let's get at it. How do we make a margarita without margarita mix?
Alright, guys, so let's just get to it. So with the classic margarita recipe, you're going to, of course, need a salted glass, which we have already done. And in your shaker, you're going to want to throw some ice. Throw the lid off here. So to begin, we're going to need 2 ounces of tequila. And with this recipe, inexpensive tequila will work. The lime juice really covers it up. No big deal. Next, we are going to need to have 1 ounce of triple sec. And then to finish off the recipe, we're going to need to have another ounce of lime juice. Alright, we'll go ahead and shake that up. And then after shaking, make sure you throw some ice into your glass. Just a little bit more there to fill it up. And then give it another shake, and then pour. All right. And your margarita. Thanks again, guys, for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.